how to enable or disable Galaxy Store app recommendation in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Customization Service. After click on Customization Service, you will see Galaxy Store is here. If you want to disable Galaxy Store, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Galaxy Store is disabled. If you want to enable Galaxy Store, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Galaxy Store is enabled. You will enable or disable Galaxy Store from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Galaxy Store app recommendation in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.